Live with constant hiccups or always have stuffy nose. Eat only raw meat or drink only expired milk. Sleep in a freezing car or sleep in a scorching desert. Listen to baby crying 24/7 or hear nails on chalkboard daily. Always have wet socks on or wear shoes filled with rocks. Constantly feel like sneezing or perpetual itch you can't scratch. Bite tongue every time you eat or get brain freeze with each sip. Always have a song stuck in head or never hear music ever again. Smell like rotten eggs or sound like donkey braying. Only eat burnt meals or only drink sour milkshakes. Wear clothes soaked in vinegar or dress in clothes covered with ants. Speak in rhymes for an hour or only whisper for the whole day.